Hi everyone, Senan this side, and in this video we are going to start this Python course. Why Python? Because it's the easiest language you can start to learn and you'll be comfortable within a month, right? And just so you know, my whole channel is built on the basis of Python, because all the animations that you see on my channel are made using Python. So Python is a good language to learn, and let's get started. First of all, go to this python.org and go to this site and find this download section. Either click here and download this Python, or you can go down and like here and see all releases. And if you want to download, from here you can download any version that you want, right? And then what you should do is basically just install that. Another thing that we are going to use is this Visual Studio Code. You can download this as well, and I assume you can download and install it. I don't think you need a tutorial on that. Okay, anyways, after you're done with that, and you open VS Code, you would see something like this, and there would be slight differences because you will see first of all a welcome page, and the color theme won't be as same as you are seeing right here, but that's not important. If you want, like, I've created a folder named Python, so if you want to open a folder, click on file and open folder and just select the folder that you want. Okay, so now the very first thing that we are going to do is to start by creating our very first file. But before that, I would want a few things you should note down. That is, if you click on view and open terminal, you'll see this terminal. For you, this terminal would be on the bottom as the default setting. You can just drag it out, right, like this. Yeah, so now to check if you have installed Python correctly, what you can just do is Python space -V and press enter. So you will be seeing whatever version you installed of Python. Okay, the latest one is Python 3.12 something, so but I have 11, so that won't be affecting this tutorial anyway. Okay, so the very first thing that we would do is create a new file. Let's say call this lecture _001.py. Py stands for the extension of Python, right? And then we just press enter. So we have this. I just push this on the right. Now what you have to do is one more thing you would observe is that you won't be having this symbol. So what you do is go on extension, type code runner, and just install this. There would be an install button here. You install this, and then you would be seeing this. Now for some reason Python might not be visible here, but you have installed it correctly. So for that, what you can do is press Control Shift and P, and through this you can select the Python that you have installed. You will see all the options that you are having, and if you are using an Anaconda environment, you can select that as well. So I'll use the system default setting. Okay, now the very first thing that we would do is write our first Python code. By this, I assume you have done all the things that I have shown you till now. So what you do is type print and print hello world. The most classic programming tutorial out there. And what you do is either press this would see you have printed this is your very first hello world application. Now other way you can do is Python 3 and type the file name, press enter. Okay, so yeah, just type the function Python, then the file name, and press enter. So you will be seeing the execution of this file. Similarly, now one more thing is something known as commits. So if I write a hash before this and save this file, you would see this is grayed out. So that means this is just a commit. This won't be executed as a command in Python. So if I just run this, you won't see any issues. Just delete this, and we will discuss about this stem code runner file later on. So if I just run this, you see there are no options. Now if you want to clear the screen, clear or CLS, so this would clear the screen. Again, I would run, no output. But if I remove this, right, now you see it's properly color coded and stuff. Just press run, and sorry, again, don't highlight any text while running the code. So you see this hello world. Now your homework is what you need to do is print your name on the terminal, and after you've done this, basically you've done this first lecture properly. So yeah, that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe for the upcoming lectures, and anyway, if you enjoyed this, found value, share this with someone that you know, and